Baby girl, you know what I want. Let me do it to you, do it to you. Let me do you like
This video was made so that students can understand what the function of enzyme is in the process of chemical reaction in the human body. This video is also made so that students can have a better understanding about what a chemical reaction is. Hi, I'm Billy. I'm from class 11.1, and today we're going to talk about what is enzyme and what does enzyme have to do with chemical reaction inside of the human body. Before we talk about it, we have to know what is enzyme and what is a chemical reaction. Enzymes are chemical compounds in the form of proteins that act as biocatalysts, where bio is living things and catalysts are substances that can speed up reaction. Chemical reaction is a process that leads to a chemical transformation of one set of chemical substances into another. Enzyme help speed up chemical reaction in the human body. Enzyme bind to molecules and change them to certain ways. Enzyme help liver to break down toxins in the body and also help with digestion and respiration. Proteins are made of amino acids, and an enzyme that is proteins, the active site gets its properties from the amino acid it is built on. These amino acids may have large or small side chains, acidic or basic, hydrophilic or hydrophobic. The set of amino acids found at the active site, together with their position in 3D space, give the active site a very specific size, shape, and chemical behaviors. Thanks to this amino acid, the active site of an enzyme is uniquely adapted to bind a specific target, substrate or substrate of the enzyme, and help it undergo a chemical reaction. Enzymes work only in certain conditions. Most of the enzymes in the human body work best around 37 Celsius or body temperatures. At lower temperatures, they will still work, but much more slowly. Similarly, the way enzymes work can only function in certain pH range. Before we continue the video, we have to know what is a pH. pH or power of hydrogen is a scale used to specify the acidity or basicity of an aqueous solution. Their preference depends on where they are found in the body. For example, enzyme in intestines work best at pH 7.5, while enzyme in the stomach work best at pH 2 because the stomach is much more acidic. If the temperature is too high or the environment is too acidic or alkaline, the enzyme changes shape. It changes the shape of the active site so that the substrate cannot bind to it, and the enzyme has changed its property. Some enzymes cannot function unless they have the specific non-protein molecules attached to them. These are called cofactors. For example, carbonic anhydrase, an enzyme that helps maintain the body pH, cannot function unless it's bound to zinc ions. To ensure that the body system are working properly, sometimes enzymes need to be slowed down. For example, if enzyme make too much product, there needs to be a way to slow down or stop the production. Enzyme activity can be inhibited in several ways, like competitive inhibitor, uncompetitive inhibitor, uncompetitive inhibitor, and irreversible inhibitors. There's 1,000 of enzymes inside of the human body. For example, lipase, amylase, maltase, trypsin, lactase, acetylcholinesterase, helices, and DNA polymerase. That's all for my video. Thank you for watching it, and I'm sorry if there's a lot of things that didn't go with your expectation or what you think this video is going to be, and I'm very sorry about it. Thank you. Goodbye.